In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Skyscanner. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just planning your first journey, adjusting currency settings can make your travel searches much more convenient and tailor your results to what you're most comfortable with. Thankfully, Skyscanner has made this process straightforward and easy to navigate, so let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to the Skyscanner website. Once the website loads, you'll be greeted by a clean interface that's been designed to help you find the best travel deals possible. It's a popular tool that offers comprehensive features for comparing prices on flights, hotels, and car rentals, making your travel planning a breeze. Now, to get starting on changing the currency, direct your attention to the top of the page. There, you'll see a small globe icon. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the home page, where you'll notice it along with options for languages and regions. Clicking on this globe icon will trigger a pop-up window, which is your gateway to customizing how Skyscanner displays prices for you. Once the pop-up menu appears, you'll see a list of different currencies. This list is extensive, covering many of the world's major and minor currencies, ensuring that wherever you hail from, or wherever you're traveling to, you'll be able to see prices in a way that makes sense to you. Scroll through this list until you find the currency you prefer for viewing your travel costs. Perhaps you're based in the United States and prefer US dollars, or maybe you're in the UK and wish to see prices in British pounds. Whichever currency you choose, simply click on it to make it your selection. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you've changed your currency preference on Skyscanner, setting yourself up for a more customized browsing experience as you search for flights, hotels, or car rentals. It's a small change that can significantly enhance your user experience by aligning with your personal preferences or your budgeting needs. To sum up, visiting Skyscanner and easily tweaking the currency setting ensures that all displayed prices will now reflect your chosen currency the next time you perform a search. It's these little tweaks and settings that can make travel planning more approachable and less stressful. Enjoy your newfound browsing capability and happy travel planning. Thank you for watching. Remember, small adjustments like these can make travel planning simpler and more effective. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Safe travels!